reality.
Fuck 'em.
Yeah.
Hey, they say I'm getting money, must be Illuminati. Talking to the Holy Ghost in my Bugatti. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in.
They say I'm getting money.
Must be Illuminati
Talking to the Holy Ghost.
in my Bugatti. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in.
Lord knows that boy that been about it.
Hey, Lord knows that boy catch a body.
Phone ringing, gotta be the Mexican.
Hey, phone ringing, gotta be the Mexicans.
Being dead broke.
It's the root of all evil. Get money, my nigga.
Do good with your people. I got the calico.
Huh?
I got the dynamite.
Huh?
They wanna do it big.
Yeah.
Pick a time tonight.
Woo!
Back to these bitches following my timeline.
Ooh, ooh.
Back to these crackers following my timeline. Got the phone tapped. I think I'm being followed.
Yeah.
Touch him with the Holy Ghost. Can you hear me,
That
Father?
nigga say touching with the Holy Ghost. Can you hear me, Father? Yeah.
Please protect me from brokenness.
Please protect me from brokenness and bitch ass niggas.
Bitch ass nigga.
Huh? Hey, hold up. You want to be on here? Yeah. Yeah. Holy Ghost. Hey, he knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. Yeah. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in.
What's up, baby? Happy holidays.
Shit, happy holidays you too, man. We out here just chilling, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had to come through on the school.
I appreciate you, baby.
Hey, Miss Pines, I love you, baby.
She down there. She down the street at Selena Blue Room. They having something for my boy and them people. It's some I think it's man Jacoby. His mom's passed and his sister, man. R.I.P. man.
Oh, man, all right.
Yeah. You know Jacoby from up top? Yeah, so they over there right now doing something.
Okay, I'm gonna go check on mine right quick and come back. I was brother Claus this morning, y'all.
Man.
Made it happen like super.
Nah, for real.
That shit.
I appreciate you, fam.
Yeah, G-Town the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seaville, baby.
Yeah. Shout them out your Facebook where they can find you and shit at.
All right. Oh,
Father, forgive me.
Alexander Great
Straight like
videos.
that.
Alexander
Go find
Great's videos.
Go find him.
Straight boxing.
Straight like that. All right, fam. Boy, say, he knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door, don't let the devil in. He knocking on the door. Hold up, man. We outside, man. Shit. Fuck is they talking about, man? Let me find something else, man.
This is history.
I'm outside. Shit. I don't know, man. What to do? What to say? The people came through and blessed the day around here, man. Yes, they did. Yeah, man, they blessed again. Hold on now, this bitch right here. I remember this house. This house was in. Well, I'm finna get my what's name. Cause my shit going dead. And I ain't going dead with no nigga when I come out here with my charges. So I was being nice and let them use the charger. Hey, y'all, hey, I need that charger, baby. You threw that charger? Appreciate you. What's up, cuz?
What's up, man? You
Shit,
alright?
this
I
shit.
can't be in there, man. My job. Somebody told my job, man.
So your job.
I'll be out here.
What that mean that you be out here? See, like just because niggas out here, what they like? I don't know what. I'm saying though, cause what a nigga supposed to do? Like you don't got family out here, like you can't stop and holler at the people. Like tell them niggas mind they bitch ass business, bitch ass niggas, man, nigga. That's the problem, niggas always worry about what another nigga doing, man. Yeah, man, you gotta get on your and you get yourself together, then everything else gonna go smooth. But as long as when you worry about everybody else, ain't nothing gonna go your way. And he said these people playing with him. Hey man, that's the shit the game is. We ain't doing no tripping. It's 2 days for Christmas. Niggas out here free. I ain't gotta get no prison tray. I ain't eating no tray today. We ain't gotta eat out the tray, out they tray. Baby say we could get shrimp and fish for Christmas. Feel me? We ain't doing no prison trade. Not a blue one, not this one, baby. We outside. Hey, man. It's all about staying alive, staying focused, too. I don't know what's going on, but we finna get on this. I'm a dream chaser. But it's tired. I'm tired of dreaming. We gonna chase the motherfuckers. If we ain't already did it, we ain't doing no dream chase.
Studies say.
Let's go.
Humans forget 90% of their dream upon the first 10 minutes awake.
Whoa.
They say most people don't even remember 99% of the dreams they ever even had.
Dang. Now they had some.
As dream chasers,
Yeah.
we're the exception.
100 grand large on the watch, bless. $250,000 for the Mustang, flex. All my niggas gon' cash, checks. And all y'all niggas look mad, stressed.
Y'all ready?
Lean in, make niggas mad, yeah. Connect time I grab, I'ma grab, yeah. I might go Bugatti with a bad bitch, Wasabi nigga out of them, Wasabi get that ass. We ain't never know we call the police. Got bird for the 25K. Sound like a bargain to me. Y'all niggas getting money in the bitch. Never looking like frauding to me. And I don't know no lie, look like 100 bad bitches getting all in with me. Get them all in for free. Started with a quarter ass a hard rock. And now I got a lot of cards. If a nigga took before I got a car lock. And everybody talking money, but they ain't showing numbers like the car block.
Yeah.
And all I do is count money for pretty assholes and cars. Yeah, I'm leaning. Yeah, I'm rich nigga, I'm leaning. Puffin' on drunk, getting gone, bad bitch, looking like Neil Long, I'm leaning. Nigga, I'm leaning. Young rich nigga, I'm leaning. Sippin' on pro, never seen that nigga. My team got money, y'all seen it. Nigga, I'm leaning. Damn, this still my scene. Had a 2020 with my preacher wife. Damn, this seen my demons. Loose furs, hyenas. For the love of money and Selena. Bastos losing their nerves. Losing bird niggas on the curves. Don't let them put a kip and do the macarena. H-Town niggas peel peach crush on my jeans. Never go far with no bitch with no condoms unless they get covered the least on my beamer. Yeah, you know, Louboutins don't touch mine. Let's go down to Ibiza town, we get cold, you don't need no cold. Motherfucker, I'm lean. Don't talk to